Hey guys, good morning. I'm like super freaking excited because I was about to buy my Canon G7X like off Amazon, but I called this local camera store and they have it, and they actually have the deluxe edition or some type of special edition, and they're giving it to me like $10 off and with a memory card, and I get like a printer in the mail or something like that, he was telling me. So you know what I'm saying, I'm like super excited, super geeked up because I've been wanting this camera for weeks. Like, it's been a struggle saving. I saved so fast. Like, people was donating to me, my friends, my family. You know, they're supporting me, and I'm just grateful for it, man. So just look out. Canon G7X time, boy.
This is that Canon G7X.
Okay. Well, back it up first.
They gotta get back. But look at this lens though, man. That junk is insane. See that price too?
But you gotta get one of these for your camera too, bro.
Bro, I'm not going anywhere with this long tripod. This is like for movie makers or something, bro. What the heck I look like with that? I love this place. No.
She bit me.
She bit you. What she bit you for? Why you biting mommy? Don't bite mommy. Unless you gonna chop mommy head off.
You are not a ninja.
Damn, this shit is gorgeous, man.
You hear me? You're not a ninja.
She is gonna be a ninja. Stop lying. Yeah. Tell mommy you're gonna be a ninja. What you saying? F my for subscribers? What the hell is this about? What? Why mommy teach y'all to do that? Why you teach y'all to do that type of stuff, Sequoia? Don't do that no more. Don't do that no more. Man, this shit is amazing.
There's a little case.
Nah, I had to pay for the case. Man, this shit is clear as hell. Got people out here digging in trash. See what y'all see when y'all come to Michigan?
And we not homeless, though. We ain't homeless, though. I'll tell you that much.
Digging in trash, digging in people's garbage. What's really going on, man?
What is going on, man?
What's really going on?
What is world coming to?
I don't know. You tell me. What's going on, Sequoia?
Hey, man.
No. I'm gonna exploit you for this.
You gonna hang this in your car?
I ain't hanging that in my car. And why you trying to let me hang stuff in my car?
Bro.
Ain't that right, baby? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. What's that up there? Man, this camera is so good, man.
I think it's a clown thing.
Why they digging in garbage over here, though?
What the hell is that?
What? What are you talking about? Bye. Bye-bye. You not gonna say bye-bye to me? Bye-bye. So what you about to go do now, Sequoia? I can't come?
Sure.
So just follow you?
It's in Farmington.
Yeah.
Might be late for work.
About to go to a birthday party? What type of birthday party?
Baby birthday.
Oh, I can't do that. So I'm gonna see you later? Are you coming to the party for real tonight? No, you're not. See you later.
I can, but I didn't know if you wanted me to go.
So you're not gonna wave bye-bye to me? This guy. Yep. Alright. Just got to the pet store. About to go in here because my dog have fleas. Dude, you not gonna turn the car off?
Hell no,
Oh, what's wrong with this dude, man? Turn the car off, bro. Alright, bro. Look at that. Detroit. Illinois. I know that. Nigga, make somebody go mess my car up and I'ma kill you. Look at that dog. Man, what type of dog is that? It's a nice dog. Yeah.
6583871.
Okay.
Crap. Do you see this? Though I would never touch one of these, bro. They look so freaking scary and shit, bro. What? Touch one then. Touch one. Touch one, dude. This dude's scared to touch one. Bro, is those hamsters over there? No, look at those hamsters right there, bro. I think that's hamsters.
Man, fucking rat.
Man, me no support cussing on my vlog.
Freaking rat.
And they got, look at all these parrots just, dude, they just all caged up. Like they over there like, what's up, boy?
Forget that cheddary charmer. They hell of a good friend onion instead.
Hey, man.
Hell of a good dish. Find the funny.
The man's find a snake. Ooh, never mind.
Make it great. Find
Oh, God, look at this dude right here.
Joanne Fabric and Craft Store.
Hey, dude, stop playing with me, boy.
Joanne offers the best fabric and craft selection at affordable prices. We've got you covered with thousands
Where the
of
snake
apparel,
goes?
quilting,
But where the
yarn,
snake
home
goes?
decor, jewelry.
Well, that's like real.
On the go, shop,
You got turtles in this boy, too.
More ideas with Joanne mobile apps.
That's
We go
crazy.
wherever inspiration takes you.
Trying to sneak out, though. That's crazy as hell. The rat is trying to sneak out the cage. Don't do it. Oh, snap. Yeah, boy. Get that in. Pet store. Doing it big. Flea shampoo. Because I got to get it off my dog. Yeah.